students, welcome to Sourav sir's classes. The question is, n is a two-digit number such that the product of its digits when added to the sum equals n. The unit digit of n would be option 1 1, option 2 7, option 3 8 and option 4 9. Now let n, that is a two-digit number, be a0 a1. Therefore, n is equal to a0 into 10 plus a1, where a0 not equal to 0. Otherwise, if a0 would be 0, this would be a one-digit number. Thus, we have put this condition that a0 not equal to 0. Now, given that the product of its digits when added to their sum equals n, so a0 into a1 plus a0 plus a1 is equal to a0 into 10 plus a1, and from here we get a0 into a1 plus 1 is equal to a0 into 10, such that a0 not equal to 0. So basically a1 cancels out, and from here we take a0 common, so a0 into a1 plus 1 is equal to a0 into 10. Or a1 is equal to 10 minus 1, since this a0 and this a0 cancel out as well. So a1 is equal to 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9. Therefore, the unit digit is 9. So option 4 gives us the correct answer. The next question is, if p plus 1 by q is equal to 1 and q plus 1 by r is equal to 1, then what is PQR? Option 1 minus 1, option 2 2, option 3 minus 2 and option 4 cannot be calculated. Now, since p plus 1 by q is equal to 1 and q plus 1 by r is equal to 1, from here we have PQ plus 1 is equal to Q and QR plus 1 is equal to R. Now multiplying this whole thing by R, we get PQR plus R is equal to QR. But from here, that is from this equation, we get QR is equal to R minus 1. Now replacing the value of QR, therefore PQR plus R is equal to R minus 1. So R cancels out and we get PQR is equal to minus 1. Therefore, option 1 gives us the correct option.